In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make these absolutely delicious hot dog buns. Begin by placing 500 grams of strong bread flour into a mixing bowl, and then place 7 grams of fast action yeast onto one side along with 15 grams of caster sugar. On the other side, place 6 grams of salt and make a well in the centre. Pour in 25 grams of melted butter and 300 millilitres of tepid milk. Mix it until it comes together to form a dough. And then turn it out onto a lightly floured workbench. Knead the dough for 5 to 10 minutes until it looks shiny and smooth. Roll it into a ball and place it back into the mixing bowl. Cover with a clean damp cloth and leave it to rise for 1 to 1.5 hours or until it doubles in size. Once your dough has doubled in size, remove it from the bowl and place it onto a clean workbench. Knock out the air and roll it back into a ball. Divide the ball into 6 equal sized pieces. Shape each piece of dough into a round and leave it to rest on the bench for 5 minutes. I would recommend covering it with the damp cloth at this stage as well. To shape your dough into a hot dog bun, take a rolling pin and roll the dough into an oval shape. Then turn it 90 degrees so the long side is facing you. Using your fingertips, roll it from the top, nipping it down every time you turn it until it's a sausage shape. Then turn it so the seam is facing the top and then pinch the seam together all the way along with your finger and thumb. Next, roll it out until it's 6 to 7 inches long and repeat the process until you've completed all 6 hot dog buns. Place the hot dog buns onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper and cover with a clean damp cloth and leave to rise for 1 more hour. Once risen, brush with beaten egg and place into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius fan for 25 to 30 minutes until golden brown. Remove from the oven and place on a cooling rack to cool. You really can't beat home baking, and these hot dog buns are definitely one to add to your list. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.